check if the scene is safe. So the scene is safe. Now check the patient's responsiveness. Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, are you okay? No response. You on blue shirt, call 911, get the AED and come back. Check for the breathing, head tilt, and chin lift.
Pulse.
The pulse.
Chin lift, pulse. Chin lift nga. Show me the chin lift and pulse at the same time. Yes. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No pulse.
Breathing.
No breathing.
Negative pulse, negative breathing.
Pulse,
Perform.
Perform CPR.
Okay. Xiphoid process. Where's the xiphoid process? No, locate the xiphoid process. Asa man ang xiphoid process niya? Yes, and then lock your arms.
Okay.
And then, no, wag ka sa xiphoid process, sa taas ng xiphoid process. Yes, correct. And straight your arms and push.
Perform 30
Push.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
5, 6,
Look at your
7,
patient.
8, 9, 10.
Yes.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1. Head tilt, chin lift. Can you use the mask? Yung mask na yan, yes. Like correct. Correct yan. Seal it. Everything seal, including the nose. I-seal mo pa, hindi na naka-seal. Sige, pasok mo sa bibig niya. Ay, hindi ganyan. Dito lang. Hindi dito sa baba. Sa bibig. Yan, correct. Seal it. Head tilt and chin lift.
2 blows.
Uy. 2 blows lang again. Blow. Relax and blow. Okay, continue CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
2. Head tilt, chin lift, mask, seal the mask, and blow. And blow. How many times are you going to repeat that?
5 times.
Yes. Then 5th cycle na. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
5. Head tilt, chin lift, mask, seal the mask. Dapat walang air na lalabas. Pag blow, seal mo. Seal properly. May lumalabas pa rin. Gamitin mo 2 kamay. Yan. Perfect. Blow. 1 more. Check for life. Head tilt, chin lift, brachial carotid pulse. Look, listen, and feel. Check for life. And count.
1, 2,
Yung baba niya. Yes, correct.
1,
And pulse.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse. Negative breathing. Perform. Rescue breath. Ano yung rescue breath?
1 breath
Every
every
6 seconds.
6 seconds.
Repeat it for
20
correct.
times
In 2 minutes. And blow. I stop using the CPR mask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.
1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.
15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15.
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20.
Check for life. Head tilt, chin lift, carotid pulse. Look, listen, and feel, and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Recovery position.
Paano yun? Talk to the patient.
Sir, I'm going to move you in a recovery position.
Paano yung kamay?
Oh my God.
Saan yung mga kamay niya? Saan may lalagay yung kamay?
Sorry. Put the dito, sir.
Okay.
Tapos, and then this one.
Ito.
Here.
Saan?
Um,
Hindi ganito, ganyan. To avoid yung mga sharp objects. And in the count of 3, I'll move you to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then, ang bibig saan dapat? Sa
arm.
Sa kilikili underarm. Para to avoid or prevent aspiration. Para hindi siya bumalik yung mga suka-suka niya. And the patient's not responding. Hey! Hey, are you okay? Not responding. What will you do? Put the patient back on a flat surface. Check for life. Head tilt, chin lift. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Count.
1.
Carotid pulse. Ang lift, ang chin. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Negative pulse. Negative breathing. Perform.
CPR.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
AED has arrived.
10.
Turn on the AED.
Okay.
Turn on the AED. Open the AED.
Turn on the AED.
Turn on the AED. Attach the pads. Wrong. Baliktad.
Right, yes. And upper right and
No,
lower
sa tummy ka na. Doon ka sa may axilla and the breast. Yan. Baba pa konti. No, yung left mo, baba pa konti. Balik ka sa breast. Yung left, yung right mo pala yan.
Ito.
Taas mo konti sa breast. Baba mo doon sa axilla.
Sige.
Papunta sa akin. Yes. Down pa, more pa. Yes. Perfect. Then don't touch the patient. Analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press shock button. Before you press the shock button, what will you say?
Clear.
I'm clear. Shock.
Clear. Press shock.
Shock is delivered. Charging. Toot. Shock is delivered. Continue CPR.
1, 2, 3.
Stop. Sorry. Don't touch the patient. Analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button.
Clear.
I'm clear. Charging. Toot. Shock delivered. Continue CPR. And end. So what can you say about her?
More practice, sir.
More practice. Kasi kino-confuse lang kita dapat.
Okay.
Kasi you never know in a different situation, right? Na hindi naman siya orderly ang pagkaganon. And then, what else ba? Feel for checking of life. Then, sa rescue breath, dapat by heart mo lang kasi may baby pa, diba? But anyway, you've done well. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.